In case if an app crashes in your Android device, then the easiest thing to solve this issue is to restart your Android device. Sometimes simply restarting the Android device can fix this issue. But if it doesn't fix the issue, then let us see how to solve it. The next thing what you need to do is, the software in your Android device should be up to date. Go to settings, go to about phone, go to software information, and right now I have Android 8.0 version. That is the latest version for this Android device. There is no any update, but if there is update, you need to update the software. Now the next thing what you will do is, you will check if there is an updated version of the application in Play Store. Open Play Store, go to this menu option here, go to My Apps and Games, and check if there is an update for the application. If there is an update for the application, just select update to update the app. Sometimes updating the application will fix this issue. Then the last thing what we will do is, we will clear the cache files and cache data for that individual app. For that one, we will go to settings, we will go to apps. Now suppose if this is the application which is crashing, I will open it. Then I will go to storage, I will select clear cache, and then select clear data, delete, to delete the cache data and files for this application. Now try to check if the application still crashes. If the application still crashes, then the last option for you to do is to send an email to the developer saying that his application crashes frequently. When the developer is notified about his application, he might update the application, or he might make a patch in order to fix the application. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.